Hello again YouTube, I'm pro saxophonist Jamie Anderson. You're watching Get Your Sax Together, and on this week's lesson I'm going to teach you how to play the ska classic originally done by Prince Buster but most famously covered by Madness, and that is One Step Beyond. One Step Beyond was originally recorded by Jamaican ska artist Prince Buster and was released in 1964 as the B-side to his famous single Al Capone. In 1979, the song was then covered by UK retro ska band Madness, featuring the famous spoken vocal by Chaz at the start and the rough, gravelly saxophone of Lee Thompson. In this free sax lesson for beginners or intermediate saxophonists, I'm going to teach you exactly how to play this famous sax hook. And in the meantime, if you're enjoying the channel, please do subscribe, ring the bell to be notified when I release new videos. Go and check out my Instagram feed. And of course, don't forget to go down into the description right now and go and get the free PDF for this lesson, which has got this whole thing written out for alto and tenor sax, which is a wonderful resource. Go and print it off and follow along as I teach you how to play One Step Beyond. Let's talk about the structure of One Step Beyond first of all. Dead simple. It's A, 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 B, A. So you've got the first phrase and you play that 3 times. Then you've got the different phrase in the middle, that's the B phrase. And then you finish with the first phrase again. But there's a tag and you repeat the end of the first phrase 3 times to finish. So let's learn the first A section, and here it is, played slowly. Now here's that A section, played at full speed. Next we're going to cover the third A, which is the third chunk of 4 bars, which is very, very similar to the first one with a slight variation. And here's how it sounds, played slowly. Now here's that third A played at full speed. Next we move on to the B section, and here's what the B section sounds like played slowly. Now here's the B section played at full speed. Now here's the final A section, which is almost the same as the first one, with slight variations, including the tag. This is what the whole final A sounds like, played slowly. Now here's the whole final A played at full speed. Now we've got all the notes you need to play the whole thing. So here's what it sounds like all joined together.
3, 4, 1, and...
I always emphasize that the notes are just the beginning of learning how to sound good. You must copy the phrasing and the sound exactly. You can follow that card for a video on my transcription series. But also on this particular song, Lee Thompson has this really gravelly, growly, rough sound. So I've done a video about how to growl on saxophone, and you can find the card for that linked up there. So if you can, try and get that nice gravelly tone going to really sound like the original. Hope you enjoyed this week's lesson learning how to play One Step Beyond. Please do subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying the content. Click the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Go and check out my Instagram feed. And once again, don't forget to go down into the description right now. Go and click the link and you can get your free PDF with the music for One Step Beyond written out for alto and tenor saxophone. And I'll see you next week on Get Your Sax Together. And famously covered by Madness. Right, let's try that again. There's a free PDF down there. Oh, no. Hope you enjoyed this week's lesson, learning how to play clear throat frog.